He's waiting to see what you're going to do. Go into the water. See if he flies.
What do you mean live?
Oh. Oh, he's eating stuff. Maybe we can watch him hunt. Wow.
Starfish!
Oh, the starfish. You think he was trying to eat him?
No. But still, let's cover it. That might be cute.
Look, this bird's trying to figure out why you're messing up his food. I don't know.
What is that next to him?
Right, look, just watch the bird. He's hunting. Look, see, he's not even worried about you because he wants to eat. Wow. Uh-oh, he's preying on something. Was that a fish he caught?
I don't know.
What in the world? That is so cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, it got away. Oh, let's watch this. This is so cool. Uh-oh. He's gonna go somewhere else. He's so hungry that he's not even thinking about it. Oh, look at that. He caught something.
That's another shrimp.
What is it? Wow. Is there any more food down there that he's gonna get?
We're not getting enough starfish.
Go walk around him, see what else is in here. I don't think he's gonna try and eat the starfish, babe.
Octopus!
Oh my goodness, don't touch it. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! That's what was next to the starfish. Whoa, right? You said, well, what is that? Wow.
Crab!
A crab? Where?
Right there. You don't see it?
I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, and he's a big crab. There's so many living creatures in here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Octopus, starfish, crab. Whoa, and look at this cool spot you're in.
Shrimp.
And
That's what he
shrimp,
was-
that's what he was eating?
Yeah.
Wow, how cool. Look at that view.
Let's see what else we can find.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. Be still, look. 2 crabs. Look at them. Oh, they're so big. What, can he climb?
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow.
We should get Daddy over here.
They're missing out in the sun. Look at that.
I see it. Oh
And then
my
look,
goodness.
Dad! Mom, it's 3 crabs!
Whoa.
Right there.
Where's the octopus?
Oh, the octopus went under some of those rocks.
Look at all those shrimp in there. Wow.
Yeah, and that the octopus is very little.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen an octopus in the wild. I would have loved to see
Look
that.
at this.
Yeah, I bet you
Beautiful.
will.
Oh, this is soft. It's not hard.
There. It would take Daddy to come and pick it up. Wow. Are you sure, John?
I'm positive. I know what they look like. That is so amazing.
Let Riley hold him with the sand. No? She's scared. Never mind. Why are you saying, oh?
That octopus knew what he was getting into coming up here, huh?
Look at this.
I've never seen anything like that.
Why is he coming right towards me?
She's like, hey, little girl.
How many legs does he have?
6.
No, octopus. That's how
One
many.
of his legs are flowing.
Yeah, look at that.
No, leave us.
What are you trying to do with that sand, right?
I'm trying to build a wall.
There. Oh, he can climb over it, you know.
Now he probably needs water. Let's get him some water in here, right here. So he can breathe.
We found starfish, crabs, and an octopus. Come look at the octopus.
It's really cool.
It's really cool. See the octopus? That's him.
Yeah, is that a blue ring one?
No,
I don't know.
they're
Okay,
poisonous.
good.
Deadly
Touch the blue ring
poisonous,
one.
yeah. venomous.
And then let me show you one of the
Here,
crabs.
Water.
Pick him up and put him over there.
Come on, pick him up,
Come on,
put him
bring
in the
him over
water.
here.
Oh, I was
And
going to
it's-
say, take him over there to that pool over there.
Wait, don't
Oh, yeah,
dig.
that's a good pool.
All right, Pete to save the day. All right.
Where's the pool for it?
Pete just like straight up took over Adventures of Riley Madison. Thanks, Pete.
Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
There he goes.
Here we go.
Straight under the rock.
Boy. Yeah, no,
All right, come on, the
not
tide's
here.
coming in. We got to get out of here. Look at that. The water hasn't come up this far yet.
Follow me if you want to live.
Let's
Follow
go.
me if you want to live.
Wait, let's just look and see what's to the right real quick, and then we'll live.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Gorgeous, beautiful sight.
Crab!
Where?
Crab, crab, crab.
A big one?
I don't know.
Look at this. Stunning.
It's a little deep there, but come on. Come on, walk before the water comes in.
I can't. Oh.
But I freaking know what Ta-da!
Whoa, come show us.
Are there any crabs in here?
I'm sure there's everything in here. I'll lead the way. Easy to get lost exploring on beaches here. We're in Byron Bay. How magnificent is this? Oh, it just keeps going.
Thanks for watching me. Don't forget to follow me.
Go.
Break out, Ryan. Go ahead, get up.
She's trying.
Break out. Get up.
It's heavy.
Put your arms up.
Break out, baby. Oh. Was it too heavy? She's clawing her way out. That is so funny.